Welcome back to Water Maze, where we bring innovative solutions to your water treatment needs. Today, let's explore the in-ground fiberglass pit system. This important and initial system is designed to handle heavy-duty water runoff and collection tasks right at your facility. The in-ground fiberglass pit system is easy to install and can handle large volumes of water and sediment. Made from high-quality fiberglass, it resists corrosion and damage, ensuring long-term reliability and performance. Pits for any industry are available. With Water Maze, you get not only a top-notch product but also ongoing support to keep your system running smoothly. For more information, visit our website or contact us today. Water Maze. Discover the brilliance.